Let's learn how to block a hotspot user on iPhone. If you want to share your internet, but prevent certain people from connecting, and you don't know how to stop them, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to prevent specific people from connecting. The first thing you need to do is open the Settings app. Once you've opened Settings, you'll be on a page with many options. From all these options, you need to click on the one called Personal Hotspot. I don't have this option because I don't have my own internet, but for you, it will be there below the Bluetooth option. When you click on that option, a page with several options will open. To prevent people from connecting, you need to turn off the option, Allow others to join. However, this will stop everyone from connecting. If you want to block only specific people, there's a way to do that as well. To allow only certain people to connect, you need to change the password. You'll do this by first clicking on your current password. When you click on it, a page will open where you need to delete the current password. Now you need to enter a new password, and that's it. Just don't give this new password to the people you don't want to connect, and they won't be able to connect anymore. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.